Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn new point, mix operations in fractions. Then what is meant by the operations? Operation means four basic operation in mathematics: addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and division. These four basic operations. So mix operation in fractions. Okay, means more than two operations in available in one example, and we will solve this example. Okay, whenever we solve mix operations in fractions, that will be using a Borromeus rule. Okay, everyone knows B for bracket, O means of, D means division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, then here is one example. Okay, in small bracket 2 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 5, small bracket complete, divided by 6 upon 5 of, in small bracket 3 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 15, small bracket complete. Then first of all solve the brackets. Okay, solve these brackets, remove this bracket and solve it. So here is the division. So division transfer into multiplication. So first step 2 upon 9, divide transfer into multiplication 5 upon 3. Other part same to same, no changes. 6 upon 5 of 3 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 15. Okay, then see here, solve the cross division. Here is 5, 9, it is not possible. 2 and 3, it is not possible. So 2 5s are 10 and 9 3s are 27. This answer is the first bracket. Okay, then divide symbol, 6 upon 5 same to same, of same to same, solve this bracket, and here is the already multiplication, so it's very easy. First solve cross division and then numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 5 and 2 it's not possible. So in small bracket 2 5 5s are 25, small bracket complete. Then 10 upon 27 divided by 6 upon 5. This of transfer into multiplication. Of means multiplication, and remove this bracket, 2 upon 25. Then solve the division. Okay, so 10 upon 27 divide transfer into multiplication. So 5 upon 6. This fraction interchange. Then multiply 2 upon 25. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Then 5 1s are 5, cross division, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Then numerator 1 1 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Then 27 and 3 is left, so 27 3s are 81. So answer is the 2 upon 81. Second example, in small bracket 13 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4, small bracket complete, divided by, in small bracket 17 upon 9 minus 1 upon 2, small bracket complete. Here is a two brackets available, but in that bracket there is a subtraction. So whenever addition and subtraction is available, that time we will find out the LCM. So LCM is very important. So first solve first bracket. So 13 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Remove this bracket and find out the LCM. Here is the like fraction available. So don't find out the LCM, directly we will solve. So 13 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. Answer is the 10 upon 4. Then divided by small bracket 17 upon 9 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Then solve this second bracket. But here is the denominators are different. So find out the LCM. 9 and 2. So LCM of 9 and 2 is 18. So write down here LCM of 9 and 2 is equal to 9 to the 18. Why? Directly we will multiply because 9 is the 9 and 2 is the prime number, 9 is the composite number. So 9 to the 18. Then these two fractions transfer into like fractions. So 17 upon 9. So 17 multiply and 9 multiply. So 9 to the 18. So 17 to the 34. Then 1 upon 2, 1 multiply and 2 multiply. Then 2 9s are 18, 1 into 9, 9 and 2 9s are 18. Then here we get two like fractions. So 10 upon 4 divided by, in small bracket, 34 upon 18 minus 9 upon 18. Okay, then 10 upon 4 divided by, solve this bracket, 18 like fractions. So 34 minus 9 is the 25. So 25 upon 18. Okay, then here is the division. So don't find out the LCM here because here is the division. So division transfer into multiplication and then divide, cross divide. So 10 upon 4 divide, transfer into multiplication. So multiplication, then 18 upon 25. Then cross divide. So 5 to the 10, 5 5 is a 25. Then 2 to the 4, 2 9s are 18. Then 9 to the 18 and 5 to the 10. Then here is the answer is the 18 upon 10. This answer transfer into simplest form. So 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. Then answer is the 9 upon 5. In this way, we will solve the mix operation in a fraction. Thank you.